everybody. It's Miss Carrie and
Penny
and
Vivian.
and this is Life Skills for Kids. Can you guys guess what we're doing today? Laundry! We're going to show you how we sort our laundry, how we put it in the washing machine, then how we put it in the dryer, and finally how we fold it and put it away. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Penny, how do we sort our laundry? What do we sort it into?
Dark and light.
And,
White.
well, we do darks,
Colors.
and whites, right? And Vivian, you're going to take one color. What color is your basket going to be? Are you going to do dark colors, regular colors, or whites?
Water towels.
Regular colors. And Penny, what is your basket going to be?
Dark.
Darks. Okay. So, Vivian, is that a dark color or a light color?
A water towel.
So you put it in your basket, right? Penny.
That's a water towel.
All right. Go for it. Go for it. Penny and Vivian, now that we have our clothes sorted, what are we going to do?
Wash them.
All right.
And put them in the laundry chute.
Well, we got them from the laundry chute, right, Vivian?
And we gotta put them in the
What's that called? The
washing machine.
washing machine. Okay, girls, go ahead and put our clothes in the washing machine. Awesome. Now, hey Penny, do you think you can reach to put the top down for a second so we can turn the water on? And do you know where to turn on the cold water, Penny? Do you see where it says hot, warm, cold? Do you see which button?
Warm, cold. What should I put it on? Cold?
Yes, cold. Is
it's
it
on cold already.
Great. And do you see right next to it to the left, it says large or extra large, medium or small?
Yeah.
Is it pointing on extra large?
Extra large.
Awesome. Okay. Now we need to turn that big button on your right.
This one?
Yep. Okay, Penny, did you find where it says super wash and the number 12?
Yes, right
Okay.
here. And it should be on heavy.
It should be on heavy, yes, because we're washing a lot of clothes because we got a couple of dirty kids here. You two. That's who I'm talking about. All right, Penny, pull that big thing out. Pull the big knob out. Pull it. Now lift it back up. Look what's coming out. It's the water. All right, now what do we need? We've got the water set. What do we need next to wash our clothes?
Detergent.
Detergent. Can you grab the detergent? Don't use that one. Let's use the new one.
I pour it in.
I think Vivian can pour it in. Yes. Can you measure it? Let's measure it over here by the washing machine, ladies.
I pour it in.
The cup about halfway full.
So like to the edge here.
Yeah, that would be great.
I want to pour
Oh, look at that. Teamwork and sisterly love. That's what we have here.
No.
It's okay. No worries. No worries.
And I got too much.
Okay, pour a little bit back in then. That's how we solve that problem. All right. Okay, Vivi gets to put it in the washing machine.
You
All
pour
right.
it right under the water.
Right under the water.
Yeah.
Whoops.
I'll do it.
It's okay. All right, so ta-da! We've started the washing machine. All right, Miss Penny and Miss Vivian. Is the washing machine still going? Mm-mm. So what do we do next?
Open. Open. And put it in here.
What is that, Vivian? The dryer or the drying machine. It's the same thing. Okay, so Vivian, can you open the door for the dryer?
Yeah, I should probably. It's a little hard.
Okay, now Penny, what's the first thing we do before we start putting things in the dryer?
This.
What is that called? Do you know? The lint. The lint filter. Yeah, get some in there, Vivian.
If you don't do it, it could set on fire.
Correct.
So it's very important.
That's right, Penny. Good work. We always, always, always empty that first.
But I put it on.
It goes in the bag there. Can you reach that, Vivian?
No.
Maybe Penny can put it away for you. Thank you. Okay, so then we put that back in.
Some dryers even have the sign right here.
Yeah, some have it down there, right? But ours has it up there because we have an old dryer.
Amy, how about you hand them to me?
Good job.
And you throw them in the washing. I should probably get them out, and you should probably put them in the washing.
All right, nice work, girl.
If you would.
Good teamwork. Push them all the way in there, Vivers.
I can't get them. It's hard.
Okay, I can help you get the rest, okay? Here we go. We'll be a team, okay? All right. Okay, now, Vivi, scoop them in there. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Now, girls, we want to make sure that no clothes are what? Hanging out, right? Okay. All right. Good job. Now,
Hang out.
oops, that went a little bit. See, right here, that could get stuck. Oh, boy. Okay, push it closed. All the way. Okay. Now, we need to turn it on. Can you reach that pane? Okay, we need to turn it to the number 70. All the way into the number 70. Nice job. Now, Penny, can you find the button over here that says temperature?
Temperature.
Okay, now for these clothes, ladies, we want it to be on low because we don't want them to shrink. Is it on low? Okay, so then can you find the button that says push to start? Hey! And they're drying! Yay!
And it took us 2 minutes.
It took us 2 minutes. Were you going to do the floss for everybody there, Penny? Vivian? Are you getting all fancy for everyone? Okay, so after they dry, we're going to take them out, and what are we going to do? Fold them! All right, Penny, are the clothes all dry?
Yes, I really will.
Oh, so where are you guys going to put them? In the bin. Can you guys put them in the bin? Okay, ladies, we took the clothes out of the dryer. What is the next thing we're going to do today?
Fold.
Fold. And as you can see, we're in our jammies because sometimes laundry can take a long time, especially when there's a lot of it. Okay, so Penny, why don't you show me how you fold some pants? So tell everybody what you're doing, babe.
So I'm folding a pair of pants, and it should always be equal, and you should probably get it like to what it would look like if you were wearing them. And you should probably fold it from the seam, right in the middle.
Okay, so show everybody how you find the seam in the middle.
You look if there are pockets, you look near the pockets, and they'll kind of be it'll be like really in the middle. And then you're gonna line up the pants part together nicely, and then you fold it again.
Okay, show everybody your folded pair of pants. Look at that. Nice job. Why don't you put them right up here on the couch? Penny, demonstrate how you're going to fold that nightgown.
So first, I'm gonna make it nice and straight. Then I'm gonna fold it until you see that this is lined up. And since it's short sleeved, all you gotta do is fold it again.
Nice job. Vivi, how are you doing on those pants? You folded them in half. What's next? Good job, Vivian. Nice work. Okay, Penny, can you demonstrate how you fold a shirt?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it until they're lined up. It's a short sleeve shirt, but with the nightgown, you should probably put it in. It's just the best idea. And then fold it one more time.
Nice.
And then you have a
nice job. Vivian. Penny and Vivian, have you folded the clothes? What is the last step after we fold the clothes? What are you guys going to do now?
Put them away.
Put them away. Vivian, let's start with you. You have some, what do you have in your hand to put away? Pajamas. Where do your jammies go? Awesome.
Left hand.
Good work, Vivian. And Penny, you have some of Vivian's clothes. What are you going to put away today?
A shirt and pants.
Okay, a shirt.
So the shirt goes up here.
Awesome.
And the pants go down here.
They sure do. Nice job, ladies. We have more to put away, but for today, that's all we're going to do. Can you guys say, what do you say to everybody?
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. To watching.